Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn magnetism and electromagnetic induction together, step by step. Every magnet has two poles, north and south, and you can never isolate just one. Like poles repel, opposite poles attract. Magnetic field lines loop out of the North Pole and into the South Pole. The deep secret is that magnetism comes from moving electric charge. A current in a wire produces its own magnetic field encircling it. Electricity and magnetism are two sides of one force. Here is one of physics' greatest discoveries. When the magnetic field through a coil of wire changes, it induces a voltage in that coil. Faraday's law says the faster the change, the larger the induced voltage. Lenz's law adds that the induced current always opposes the change that caused it. So moving a magnet near a coil generates electricity from motion. That single idea powers our civilization. Take a magnet and a coil connected to a meter. Push the magnet in, and the meter swings as current flows one way. Pull it back out, and the current reverses direction. But hold the magnet perfectly still inside, and nothing happens. The meter reads 0. Only a changing magnetic field induces voltage. Motion is essential, which is the heart of how generators work. A power station generator uses exactly this. A coil spins between the poles of strong magnets, so the magnetic field passing through it constantly changes. That changing field induces an alternating voltage, which becomes the electricity in your home. Whether the turbine is turned by steam, water, or wind, the principle is identical. Spinning motion in a magnetic field creates power. Let's wrap up. Magnets always have north and south poles, and magnetism arises from moving charge. The reverse is just as powerful. A changing magnetic field induces a voltage. More change meaning more voltage, with the induced current always fighting the change. This induction turns motion into electricity in every generator on Earth. Brilliant work today. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.